Hey y'all, Shortbear here with another Codewars challenge. This one's a level 8. We're doing it in Python. It's called Drink About. As always, a link to the challenge will be in the show notes if you want to try it out before watching the video. So let's get started. All right, so make a function that you receive an age and return what they drink. Okay, so kids drink a toddy, teens drink Coke. Okay, so basically we gotta have sort of a dictionary that maps to what they're drinking here. Okay, so children are under 14, teens are under 18. Okay, that makes sense. All right, so let's do this. Bunch of if-else's, basically. Okay, so kids are under 14. So if age is less than 14, let's return toddy. Let's see. Okay. Oh, drink toddy. Maybe we got to tell them what they're drinking for every single one. Okay, so drink Coke. Okay, yeah, so we got to say the whole, man, gonna make me spell it out here. Okay, so LF, age is less than 18. We drink Coke. LF, age is less than 21. Young under 21. Oh, to be young. We drink beer, so return drink beer. And then finally, else, you're just old. You're going to drink whiskey. All right, so return drink whiskey. Okay, let's test this out. All right, looks like it's working. Let's do a full submission here. All right, looks like we got it. I'm going to go drink whiskey.